Before we move along, just a reminder to save your work. Remember to save it at a known location with a known file name so you don't lose your work. Okay, the next thing we're going to address here is grouping and ungrouping of a block of text after it's converted to outlines. Real simple stuff. So again, type tool. It's getting monotonous, right, folks? Draw a text box and let's put in the word ungroup. Okay. I can see the bounding box because I have my selection tool enabled. Type, create outlines. Let me zoom in. Now, as I said before, with the other things we've done here, this is not one unit. If I select it with the selection tool, the black arrow, I can distort it as a unit. Squeeze it, squish it, do whatever I'd like. Let me Command Z out of here. How do I modify just one letter form, like move one letter form off its baseline, for example? There's a couple ways to do that. I'm going to show you the difficult way first, then I'll show you the easy way. Here's the difficult way. Enable the direct select tool. Hover over the letter form. When I hover over the letter form with the direct select tool and click once, every anchor point is selected. As long as I'm still hovering over that letter form and every point is selected with the white arrow, I can click, hold, and drag, and I can move that letter form that way. That's one way to do it. So let me Command Z out of here. An easier way to do this is you have your type converted into outlines. I'm going to use my selection tool, the black arrow, select it, go to Object, Ungroup. Okay, now visually nothing happened, but when I deselect, now when I select a letter form, it's its own unit. Okay, I use the black selection tool, the black arrow. I can select individual letter forms now. Before, this entire thing was selected as a unit, so now I can select, let's say the letter O, move it up off its baseline, and actually I got a better idea. Let me Command Z out of that. Let's select the letter U with the black arrow with the direct select tool. Hold down the Shift key. Select the letter P with the black arrow. When I hold down the Shift key, they're both selected. Click, hold, drag it up. What a witty guy. Okay. So your mission is to get the word ungrouped, move the U and P up its baseline.